Hello everyone, this is Dave from Dave's Recent Things. Surprise! I'm posting on a Sunday. I know I normally don't post on a Sunday, but today is a special day. Today I was invited to join the Talented Creators collaboration with a fall theme, and one of the DIYs must include a sunflower. We have DIY with Aurea, we have Lolly D's creation at Z9 Designs, all together, including myself actually, have created a little playlist for you. So all you have to do, click on that little playlist right down below in the description box, and that's going to bring you to all of the videos. Why don't I just get started and I'll show you what I created using sunflowers. When I first heard about this collaboration, I had no idea what I was going to do, so I thought, let's go to Michael's for some inspiration. And then while I was there, I saw this craft pumpkin. I had to pick that up. And of course, the theme was sunflowers. I saw this burgundy sunflower floral pick, some other little fun floral picks that have pine cones and mushrooms. I'm going to be using some floral foam and my regular crafting utensils to create this project today. First thing I wanted to do was use this craft pumpkin as a vase. So what I wanted to do was cut out the top, and I read on the little tag that you can cut this out with a burning tool, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to try it with a regular kitchen knife. So all I'm doing is I'm outlining the hole that I want to cut out, and then I'm going to use a regular kitchen knife to do this. I will say this, it was a little difficult. I went very slowly and made sure everything, didn't cut myself or anything, and it all worked out. Here we are, the top is off, and I am ready to create my little floral centerpiece for fall. The top I'm not going to use, so I'm going to put that to the side, and then I'm just going to fit that floral foam in there. It didn't really fit, so I kind of pushed it all the way down. And as I did that, I created a huge mess that I had to clean up. But once I cleaned up, I'm going to put some of that hot glue right at the bottom of the floral foam, put that right into our pumpkin vase, hold it for a bit until it dries. And then I'm going to grab my florals and I'm going to start cutting those off. Now, I did leave the stems long and I am sorting them out now because I just didn't really know what I wanted to do right off the bat. And of course, here I am fluffing up some of those picks. We don't just fluff up bows here on my channel. We fluff up picks as well. And then I decide to start doing the lowest level of our floral arrangement. So here I am, I'm just cutting off some of those wire stems, placing the sunflower and then those mums in there as well. Gorgeous color sunflowers and mums. I loved these. Now you'll notice that I'm not gluing anything down when I'm doing that first row or for this floral pick. I like to change my floral arrangements all the time, so I don't really glue anything down, and I also like to reuse items. You saw there that I just did a longer length for my sunflower, creating some height for our floral pick, or for our floral arrangement, I like to say, sorry. And for me, I like to have height, I like to have interest. Those sunflowers are going to be the focal point because that is the focal point for this collaboration. But of course, we do like to have some fun with the orange, the mushrooms, the pine cones, and of course, those sunflowers being the center of the attention. Here I am, I'm just fooling around with these floral picks. This is a brilliant, easy, just such a fun craft to do. You can create a floral arrangement using these pumpkin craft pumpkins is what they're called. And look at this, just absolutely gorgeous. I used a couple of small floral picks and one large one along with that craft pumpkin to create this beautiful floral arrangement for fall. You can put it on your table, on your kitchen island, even an end table in your living room, and of course the focal point being sunflowers, because that was our theme for today. Don't forget, the Talented Creations collaboration link is right down below for you to click on all those other videos. Thank you so much for joining me today. I had a lot of fun creating this fall centerpiece for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new project. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye for now.